As we prepare for our time in meditation and as the lights go down, I invite you to close your eyes with me and take a deep breath and find that space to allow your mind to rest, where it's probably not gotten much rest. And feel what a gift it is to be alive here. What a gift it is to be alive here on earth. What a gift it is to feel it all. Both the heartbreak and the wonder. Both the sadness and the mountaintops. To be curious about what we don't know, and to feel faith of what we choose to believe. As human beings, we welcome the contrast. We feel alive with the contrast. We sit with the contrast. And we recognize that this is all so temporary. And we allow gratitude for it all. I welcome you back